Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are doing well in your homes and staying safe. So, today we are going to start chapter number 5 in computer. So, the chapter 5 is MS Excel 2010. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is MS Excel, introduction to MS Excel, and what are the functions of MS Excel, components of MS Excel window, moving around the worksheet, entering data in the worksheet, entering a formula, how we can add a formula in the spreadsheet, starting MS Excel, how can we start MS Excel, creating a new workbook, how can we create a new workbook, types of data, saving the workbook. So these are the topics we are going to learn about in this chapter. Clear? So first of all, we are going to start with the introduction part. So before that, I am going to tell you something about MS Excel. So the MS Excel is a application software. So you need to first understand about what is application software. Application software are those software which are developed for a specific purpose, for a specific task, we can say that. So what is specific task? So for example, a calculator, a software calculator, we can add numbers, we can multiply numbers, we can divide number in the calculator. So the calculator is doing a specific task. For example, arithmetic operations. So calculator what doing? Arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, mod, root. So these kind of operation are done by the calculator. So we can say that calculator is a application software because it is used for a specific task. So the software which are used for a specific task or developed for a specific task are called as application softwares. And there are some other software called system software. The system softwares are those software which are required or necessary for operate a computer system. For example, Windows operating system, iOS, Mac operating system. So these are the system software because without them the system will not be run. So I think you are clear with the difference between what are the application software and what are the system software. So the application software are those software which are used for a specific task. Hence, MS Excel is a application software. Why? Because it is used for a specific task. So first of all, introduction. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program in a Microsoft Office system. So what is Microsoft Office system? First of all, what is MS or Microsoft? Microsoft is a company or IT company, which is IT company which develops softwares. So Microsoft is a company and the Microsoft Office is a software package. Microsoft Office is a software package and the Microsoft Excel is a software which comes under the Microsoft Office. So hence Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. What is Microsoft Excel? It is a spreadsheet program. It is a spreadsheet program in the Microsoft Office system that is used to manage, analyze and present data in a tabular form. So what are the functions of this? It is used for manage, analyze and present data. So in this MS Excel we are manage data, analyze the data, we can manage the data, analyze the data and present the data in the tabular form. Which form? Tabular form. So we are representing our data in the MS Excel in the tabular form. Tabular form is in the form of table. In the form of table. For example, like this. You can see that this is how our spreadsheet is. You can see that clearly. This is a kind of table with the row and column. So what is table? Table is a combination of rows and columns. So it includes many powerful tools. So the MS Excel have many powerful tools that can be used to organize and manipulate large amount of data. It means we can organize or manage large amount of data in the MS Excel. We can store the data in the MS Excel. We can prepare a table of numbers. We can create a different charts. Clear? So in this MS Excel we can manipulate. Manipulate means we can delete, we can add, we can modify the data or large amount of data. So we can perform complex calculation in this software. Perform calculation with the use of formulas. We can use different formulas in this software. Create professional looking charts. We can create charts of data, enhance the appearance of worksheet and more. We can enhance the appearance. Appearance means we can represent our data in different forms. Charts, graphical forms. So in Excel you can perform complex mathematical calculation on the date. So we can perform different in Excel you can perform complex mathematical calculations. So in Excel we can perform different mathematical calculations, complex calculations. So it is one of the most popular electronic spreadsheet. So it is one of the most popular spreadsheet program which helps to store data in tabular form. So we can consisting of row and column. I already told you what is the table. Table is a combination or collection of rows and columns. So it is a most popular spreadsheet program which are used for represent or store data in the tabular form. So I think we are clear with the introduction part. So if I briefing that, so what is MS Excel? MS Excel is an application program which is used for representing or storing the data in the tabular form. We can perform mathematical calculations as well, and we can create charts for present data in the enhanced way. So next is starting MS Excel. How can we start MS Excel? So there are 3 steps. To start MS Excel 2010, follow these steps. Step 1, click on start button. So first of all, on the screen left side bottom we can see a start button. So when we left click on start button, we can see the pop-up window. In that window, we are going to click on all program. Step 2, we are going to click all program. Now the step 3, choose Microsoft Office. So I already told you that Microsoft Office is a software package, and the Microsoft Excel is a software in that package. So first of all, we choose the Microsoft Office, and then we are going to click on MS Excel 2010. MS means Microsoft. So this is how we can start our MS Excel. Clear? So now we are going to learn about what are the components of the MS Excel window. So what are the components of MS Excel window? When you start Excel, a document is already loaded. So when we start the MS Excel, then a document is already loaded. An Excel file or document is called a workbook. So when we start first the MS Excel, already a document is loaded. That document is called a workbook. This is here. We cannot see that, but this kind of document we can see on the window. So this is the tabular form. You can see in your notebook on page number 41. This is a tabular window, and this is called workbook. The workbook can contain worksheet and charts. So this workbook contain the worksheet and charts. A worksheet is a grid of row and column. So what is the worksheet? Worksheet is a grid of rows and columns. The worksheet are named as sheet 1, sheet 2 and so on. So worksheet are named as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and so on. This here. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like this. You can see that. There are 3 sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2. When we click sheet 2, the sheet 2 will be open. When we click on sheet 3, the sheet 3 will be open. Clear? So this is it for today. Tomorrow we are going to start page number 41. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.